it turns. Well, I don't have to take a nap. I feel like taking a nap, so.
Said she got free fudge.
Who did?
Her did.
She was on there?
She's like, yeah, she was at the end. She was like, look, I got free fudge.
I didn't even see her.
Yes.
Oh,
You didn't see her?
No, I wasn't paying attention, I guess.
You know
It's the first year we haven't done anything. Hello. Oh, you're solo.
Yeah, she was in the middle this time.
You got what?
They said she was in the middle. Debbie.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. Oh, it's always trouble at the end. Just watching some golf. Piper's watching some of her shows. We're getting ready to leave. We really didn't do a whole lot. So it was Margaritaville and Father's Day weekend. They had a live band, music, all that. We really didn't go down there and do it. You could hear the music, but I ended up working on a golf cart, doing some rewiring. I'll show you what I did, actually. Our battery gauge wasn't working right, so I ordered a new one, which now is a digital one that lights up at night, so we can actually see our battery level. We added a speedometer to it and reran the wires from the radio down to the ignition. And so by the time I was done with that, I didn't feel like decorating getting into the parade. Piper's little plants here are starting to grow. Not sure what they are, but they're taking their sweet time growing. And so maybe next year they'll be more thicker and whatever. So anyway, van goes to the dealership for repairs tomorrow. Hopefully we have it back before Friday, because we come up here Friday, and we are up here until July 7th. So we're gonna be up here for quite a while, and so we have a couple things planned, and hopefully some more videos, since we haven't released a video in over 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
So yep, 2 weeks. So anyway, we're gonna. Your slime's dirty. You got dirty slime. Okay. So all right. Well, we're gonna close up. We're gonna head home. It's supposed to be raining downstate, so by the time we get down there, who knows? But anyway. All right, we're gonna get going, and until next time, happy trails.